This is another just cool one to note. You probably can't see this in the back of the room because I can barely see it up here. So what this says here is a rank. What's nice about a professional management company is we can see where people rank. So if there is saturation, it's not as big of a deal if you know exactly what the rankings are in any city. We can look at any city, any country. And this is one of our hosts. And this is actually a real estate broker here in St. Louis. And she has an incredible property. She's a great designer, great stager. She's a phenomenal person and a great partner of ours. So we gave her the Superhost badge. She became a premier partner, and this says 3 out of 1,403 properties. So what we do is we like to meet with our hosts once a month, but we also send a newsletter and we let them know. We want them to know everything that's going on about their property, how they rank, what the reviews are, how they are across the competition. So those are some things that we can do.